Hello from TheBestVPN.UK, the leading VPN and security review team bringing to you our wealth of experience within internet security and censorship. Today, in this video, we are going to talk to you about this VPN. Let's dive right in. As you can see, while I'm scrolling down the page, you can find a detailed review of this VPN on our website, so I don't want to spend too much time going into too many details right now. More importantly, the VPN provider has given us a special discount coupon, and we want to share this with you today before it expires. This basically means that if you buy your VPN through our website, you will get a special discount not available to other people. Cool, right? Simply browse to our website, there is a link below in the description, then click on the VPN review here and click the Go To button here. You will then be taken to a special pricing page with our discounted prices. This is already a great VPN, but now at a discounted price, trial and coupon. So with zero risk, you can test this VPN, and if it doesn't quite work how you were hoping, then you can simply get your money back. PureVPN has a big dashboard and a lot of options that we can select from the main screen. The easiest way to start is to select one of the options, or the modes that PureVPN presents to us. It's very straightforward. Basically, we just need to click on any of the buttons for the VPN to do exactly what we want. For example, I've already selected Stream Mode. In Stream Mode, you can select channels like Netflix and BBC. Just click on the channel to unlock the service. Another option, for example, is File Sharing. I can click on File Sharing Mode. This way, I can see all the countries where it's possible to do peer-to-peer. I can also decide to enable peer-to-peer protection. For example, when you go to a website like Pirate Bay, there's a lot of pop-up and malware. This way, you can disable them. We have also the Gravity, which is in beta. It's a special tool that lets us configure our browser settings and the way we want to surf the internet. With Gravity, our connection is safer and more secure. We can also use it to block ads during searches to enable a safe search. Going back to the dashboard, this is the Main Options tab. Here we can see things like our user profile and the application settings. For example, we can decide to launch the VPN on startup. We can change the default language. We can also choose to change the protocol, keep it automatic, or use one of these. We can set the mode and access advanced options, where we can block IPv6 leaks, for instance. I always suggest keeping this one selected. We can decide to activate the Internet Kill Switch here. I also recommend keeping this one on. We can also opt to stop the internet if we are not connected to the VPN. Hotspot is another nice option. For example, if you have a notebook or a Wi-Fi connection, you can share a safe connection and VPN encryption to other people near you. The split tunneling is very interesting, especially for gamers. You can set the application that will use the VPN and which ones will not. You can also check for updates or go with the basic options like help and support. Unlocking Netflix US or other streaming channels with PureVPN is very easy. We just select Stream Mode. After that, we filter through the list of options. For example, we want to see something in a specific country, or we select a channel. Under Channel, there is a list of all the channels you can unlock. You can also decide to put some of them in your favorites list, for example, Netflix US. Just click Connect to Netflix US. Now we are connected. The browser should open automatically on Netflix, as you can see. And then, Netflix is open. Now we can select, for example, one movie to see if it works. As you can see, we are still connected. I'll click on, for example, Supergirl, a movie available on Netflix US. As you can see, the movie starts without a problem. If you want to download files anonymously and safely, you can use PureVPN. Under Select Mode, choose File Sharing. It will then propose a list of countries you can choose from to do the file sharing with. It depends on where you are. For example, in this test, we are in Asia. You can select a country near you and click Connect. After a few seconds, depending on the distance between countries, you will be connected. After you're connected, you will have a new IP address that is safe for torrents and P2P. In our test, we will download a free version of Linux on torrent. Now we're connected, I will restart my torrent. Let's see if they're going to block it. As you can see, the download has started without a problem.
Here is a quick summary of this fantastic VPN service. Did you learn something new in this video? Then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now we want to turn it over to you. What do you think about this video? Let us know by leaving your comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon below if you found this video helpful. Then please share this video around the internet to help our community grow. Also, if you want exclusive VPN tips and the latest discounts that we only share with subscribers, head over to our website and follow us on Facebook. See you in the next one.